Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best budget notebook laptops. Whether you're working from home, studying for classes, or just need a reliable everyday machine, these notebooks deliver solid performance without emptying your wallet. All the products are linked in the description below, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and never miss the latest and greatest picks. Let's get into it. Number 1. Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3X. Kicking things off, we've got the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3X, one of the newest models in Lenovo's lineup, and it's already catching attention for how much it offers at its price. This laptop comes with a 15.3-inch WUXGA display, which gives you bright colors, sharp contrast, and clarity that feels closer to premium ultrabooks. For a budget machine, the visuals are impressive. Videos and presentations look crisp, and browsing feels smooth. For students and professionals constantly on the move, that's a real lifesaver. Customer reviews highlight the AI Copilot Plus features, which make everyday tasks more seamless, like helping with note organization and quick summaries. People also love the physical webcam shutter and fingerprint reader for added privacy. Some did mention that heavier workloads like video rendering aren't its strong suit, but that's expected at this budget level. Overall, the Lenovo Slim 3X feels like a laptop that blends performance, portability, and smart features. If you want something modern, sleek, and ready for the future without overspending, this is a great place to start. Number 2. Acer Aspire with Intel i3 N305. Next up is the Acer Aspire Go 15.6-inch notebook, powered by the latest Intel i3 N305 processor. The CPU is built for efficiency, and when paired with 8 GB of DDR5 RAM, it handles day-to-day computing with ease. Web browsing, word processing, streaming, even some multitasking, it all flows without hiccups. The display is a full HD 1080p panel, and while it doesn't have the punch of higher-end models, it gets the job done for most users. Colors are clear and details look sharp enough for casual movie nights or long study sessions. Storage is split between 128 GB eMMC. Reviews point out that the laptop feels lightweight and portable, which makes it easy to slip into a bag. Some buyers mentioned that Windows 11 took a bit of getting used to, but once set up, the performance was reliable for schoolwork and office tasks. In short, the Acer Aspire offers a balanced package, modern processor, reliable battery, and practical build. If you want a budget laptop that's straightforward, efficient, and doesn't overcomplicate things, this is a top contender. Number 3. ASUS Vivobook E1504FA. At number 3, the ASUS Vivobook E1504FA brings a lot of value for people looking for a notebook that feels fresh and user-friendly. The 15.6-inch full HD screen gives you solid picture quality, and ASUS adds its usual flair with a slim bezel design that makes a viewing area feel larger. Inside, you're getting an AMD Ryzen 3 processor paired with 8 GB of RAM and a 128 GB SSD. This isn't meant to be a powerhouse, but for students, casual users, or anyone handling documents, emails, and video calls, it runs smoothly without stutter. Customer reviews point out that it's reliable for light workloads, and the build quality feels solid for the price range. Some users mentioned the SSD size might feel limiting, but you can always add external storage if needed. If you're after a laptop that looks modern, handles basics smoothly, and is budget-friendly, the ASUS Vivobook E1504FA is worth checking out. Number 4. HP Chromebook 14A. Sliding into the 4th spot, we have the HP Chromebook 14A, a notebook that focuses on simplicity and affordability. Since it's a Chromebook, it runs Chrome OS, which is built for people who primarily live online. Think Google Docs, Gmail, YouTube, and web browsing. The 14-inch HD display is bright enough for everyday use, and with Intel UHD graphics, casual streaming and browsing look clean. Under the hood, you'll find 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of eMMC storage. Plus, the battery life is impressive. Users report getting a full day of classes or work without needing to recharge. Customer reviews highlight that it's perfect for kids, students, or as a secondary laptop. People love its portability and simplicity, but note that it's not for heavy software like Photoshop or gaming. If you want a budget laptop under $300 that handles web-based tasks reliably, the HP Chromebook 14A is one of the best options on the market. Number 5. HP Laptop i3 N305 Galactic Silver. Finally, let's talk about the HP Slim Laptop and Galactic Silver, running on the Intel i3 N305 processor. This model blends affordability with style, sporting a clean silver design that looks more premium than its price suggests. It comes with 8GB of RAM and a 256GB of SSD, giving you enough memory for multitasking and fast storage for documents, media, and software, plus multiple USB ports, so you're not short on options for accessories. Reviews point out that this HP i3 Slim feels snappy for office and school use. People liked the combination of quick startup times and lightweight portability. A few noted that the battery could last a bit longer, but overall the performance and build quality were praised for the price point. If you're looking for a reliable Windows laptop with modern specs that still falls in the budget category, the HP i3 Slim is a very practical choice. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best budget notebook laptops. Each one offers great value without stretching your wallet. Whether you need something for work, school, or everyday browsing, there's an option here for you. Check the links in the description and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hype tech picks.